So on this channel, I'm going to introduce you to me, Stan. What do you know? Yes, Hurricane Stan on my main channel, Hurricane Stan. But on this channel, we look at all natural disasters. So, see, there's a thunderstorm right here. There's a possible Hika. I think that's what it's going to be called. And there's Cyclone Vayu. So I'm gonna, extended radar. So we're gonna look at, we're gonna see my radar. Yes, I live here in Illinois. Today on June 11th, it's 81 degrees and my chill will be 59. It's gonna be a nice sunny to partly cloudy day. It's dark out. It's true because I'm looking outside my window right now and it looks like it's partly cloudy also, so it's not lying. So Wednesday, 62% of chance of precipitation. A shower and a thunderstorm. And on Thursday, June 13th, the 69 degrees is the same as Wednesday, but clouds yielding to sun, so it's an even lower chance of precipitation than today. Let's see mine. So here is the radar right here for me. Let's see. So it's gonna be a little rain that's gonna pass by. There's actually no storms in my state, surprisingly, but there is one dissipating storm over the Michigan, and there's a line of thunderstorms, which is gonna be the cause for the thunderstorms tomorrow on June 12th. Nathan Floyd, if you're watching this, our time is a 7-hour difference, okay? So here it is, right here. So do you know what I'm gonna do? Go over here and hope this works. If the radar doesn't work over here, then I'm literally gonna kill it, because and there's no Vayu up here. I don't know why, but that is dumb. 3-day, of course. Hourly will be right now 6 p.m. 76 precipitation. Of course, at night it's a little high, but you'll feel 75 degrees, 12 miles per hour north, gusts 14 miles per hour, humidity 34. And then there you go. So at 7, it's gonna be a little different, except this is gonna be the same, but the gusts are 1. It's 48, humidity 38. Low. There's a lot of low stuff here. So I'm gonna end the video now. So hope see you guys later.